Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to another video. If it is your first time here, my name is Naledi Swaratlhe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to another video. Okay, so today's look is quite different. It's not the kind of looks I go for, but I'm proud to say that I killed it. Like, I feel like I did pretty well for the first time doing a winged eyeshadow kind of cut crease, if you know what I mean. So as you can see, it's like winged, but it's like a cut crease, but it's winged. And I'm excited because I tried this new eyeshadow palette from, guess what, you guessed right, from Scarlet Hill. And honestly, I feel like Scarlet Hill is just coming through. Like, Mr. Price, where were you all my life? Like, anyway, so I use this eyeshadow palette. I got it recently, and it's the Return to Paradise eyeshadow palette in Tropical, as you can see over there. So tropical meaning that it's very bright tropical colors, and as you can see, it is quite bright, like literally. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Mwah. So firstly, I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids, and I'm using my concealer from Maybelline and then blending it out on my eyes. Next up, we're going to use the Return to Paradise eyeshadow palette from Scarlet Hill, and it is in the shade Tropical, and I'm just going to blend it on my crease first with the purple color. And then I'm gonna just diffuse it with the pink color, and that's just gonna help it look a little bit less harsh. And then just to add a little bit of depth, I'm gonna use a black eyeshadow color that was not on the palette, and this one is from Essence. Next up, I'm gonna cut my crease, and I'm using the same concealer that I used in the beginning, and I'm just applying it on my hand and then using a cut crease brush, if I could put it that way, and just cut my crease in a wing shape this time. Use the shade Pink Sunset to just fill it in just where I cut my crease. So I just put on my lashes off camera, and I just lined my eyes, nothing dramatic. And then we're going to start with the foundation routine. So it's basically the usual routine that I use. You prime your face using the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer, and then I'm going to move on to foundation. This time I mix them all and just blend it out with my foundation brush. Next up, we're going to highlight and contour, and for highlighting this time I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm just highlighting under my eyes, nose, on my forehead, as well as my chin and Cupid's bow, the usuals. And then I'm just going to blend it out with my beauty blender. Next up, I'm gonna contour, and I'm using my Rimmel contour duo stick that I usually use on my nose as well as my cheekbones and a bit on my forehead as well. This just helps to sculpt your face and just give it a little bit of shape. And then I'm gonna bake my face, and I'm using the Candid Revlon setting powder in the shade Banana. I'm just going exactly where I contoured under my eyes, as well as on my nose and the works. Next up, I'm just blending my contour right after setting my face, and I'm using a contour brush from Color. So I'm just going to contour by my nose as well as my cheekbones. Make sure that it's blended out. So for lips, I just went for this combo. I was still experimenting, and I realized that my camera was actually not recording. So I put this one, and this is from Wet n Wild, I think. What is this? The Mega Sticks. And it is in the shade Made You Pink. And then I put on my Essence lip gloss on top. And I think I kind of like it. I don't know, should I go clear? Next, we're gonna highlight. And then last but not least, I'm going to use my Maybelline Lasting Fix Spray to set my face and to make sure that everything is set into place. So I changed my lip color because I felt like the pink was drawing away attention from the eyes, and I wanted the attention to stay on the eyeshadow and not the lips. So yeah. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah!